Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Kahoot app, a fun and interactive quiz-based learning platform that's perfect for classrooms, workplaces, or even just playing with friends. Let's get started. Kahoot is a game-based learning app where teachers, students, or anyone can create and play quizzes called Kahoot. You can use it to study, test knowledge, or just have fun competing in real time. Now, to use the app, you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, so search Kahoot on your search bar at the top of your page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Sign up for free account as a teacher, student, or personal user. You can also log in with Google, Microsoft, or Apple ID. On the home screen, you'll see featured Kahoots and categories like science, history, or general knowledge. Tap a quiz you like and choose play. Select whether to play live with friends or practice solo during the game. Each question appears with multiple choice answers and you select the correct option before the timer runs out. At the end, you'll see your score and rank. Then tap the create button at the bottom right here. Add a title, description, and cover image. Create questions by typing them in and adding answer choices. You can also add images, videos, or time limits to make it engaging. Save your Kahoot and it's ready to share or play. Now to host, open the quiz you created and tap play. Choose teach or host live mode. Share the game pin with players. They just enter it on the app at kahoot.it in a browser. Start the game and everyone answers in real time while the leaderboard updates after each round. Use study mode for flashcards and practice quizzes. Teachers can assign Kahoots as homework challenges. You can upgrade to Kahoot Premium for advanced features like reports and more question types. And that is how you can use the Kahoot app step by step, whether you're a student, teacher, or just playing with friends. Kahoot makes learning interactive and fun. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.